this video, I'm going to show you makeup which you can wear with masks. Makeup which is going to stay on your face all day long without getting spoiled even after wearing a mask. Please watch the video till its end because I have shown a complete makeup tutorial. Makeup which you can wear with masks. Namaskar, I'm Lata Sabarwal and thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Before I begin, let me answer a question which many people have asked me. Why makeup is needed these days when we are wearing masks, our face is not visible. But the most important reason for wearing makeup is that we wear it for ourselves because it instantly boosts our confidence levels. Makeup has a psychological effect on us. It uplifts our spirits and immediately makes us feel good. So why not wear some makeup? One more thing which is very important before doing makeup is skincare. I'll be uploading a skincare video very soon. Okay, so the most important thing before wearing makeup is to moisturize your skin really well. Once your skin is moisturized well, it will prevent your makeup from getting cracked or the patchy look which we get if we haven't moisturized it well. So if you're going out in the afternoon or even at home, if you're wearing makeup, then sunscreen is a must. I usually use this one, Neutrogena, or you can use any other sunscreen according to your skin type. Or if you're getting ready at evening, then a good moisturizer will do the work. So I have taken little sunscreen and I'm just going to apply it nicely on my face. Do not forget the neck area. Always dab under the eyes. Do not rub. With very light fingers. Spray the sunscreen. Just pat your face a little bit so as to improve the blood circulation. And next we'll go to foundation base. So now I'm going to show you a few different type of foundation base which you can choose according to your skin type. This is BB cream which is very natural. So if you have a flawless skin, you can wear this foundation. Again, CC cream. This is also very good. This also you can wear if you have almost a flawless skin or if you do not mind showing a little bit of your skin variations. Now this is by Maybelline. I really like this one because this gives you a kind of a professional look, quite a professional makeup look. This is Superstay foundation. This gives you full coverage, under eye coverage, and even it hides all the minor skin variations and the flaws. Again, this is one of my favorite products, MAC Studio Sculpt. This also gives a beautiful full coverage. So if you want full coverage with just one product, you can use this. So the most important thing is not that which foundation you are wearing. You will definitely be choosing it according to your skin type. But the most important thing is how to make your foundation stay even under a mask. And we'll see how we're going to do it. Okay, so right now I have chosen the CC cream for a very natural look. And I'm going to just apply it on my face in 1 minute. If you want, you can use a brush, but as in my earlier videos also I have mentioned that I love using my fingers for makeup because I feel that fingers blend your makeup very well. I'm going to just do it with my fingers. Do not forget the neck area at all. And I'm just going to massage it simply like this. Dab under the eyes. Same finger, just apply a little bit on your eyelids. If you are going for a very natural look, then you do not need to apply it in thick layers. Forehead again, I'm just going to massage it in. Forehead again, I'm going to just massage it in the direction of my face muscles. So with this foundation also, I am just giving my face a little bit of massage. If you feel like, you can apply a little more under the eyes, but right now I'm good with this. Okay, so I'm done. Neck area. Now I'm going to show you the product which will actually make our makeup stay throughout the day, even after wearing a mask. So this is one of my very favorite products, Kryolan translucent powder. So there's one more option available nowadays, which is very good again, but this is a little bit on the expensive side. MAC Prep and Prime. This is the transparent translucent powder. It is white in color and gives a very natural shine also. So whichever suits your pocket, you can buy that. Also, one more product is very good, that is Studio Fix by MAC. This is expensive, but it lasts long, and this is also very good. But right now, what I'm going to show you is this Kryolan translucent powder. This is TL4, which is a little yellow in color, but do not mind, because our Indian skin tone, our undertones are mostly yellow-orange in color. So this is the powder. If you want, you can apply it with a brush, but I always prefer using a puff. So I'll just take it on my puff a little bit. Mix it there in my palm, and I'm going to just dab it on my whole face. Just dab. Remember, do not rub like this, otherwise the foundation which you're wearing will come out. So just keep dabbing. A little extra for my under eyes. Done. So this has actually fixed my makeup for long hours. So when you're wearing a mask, this portion is visible. So do not forget to do your eyebrows. This is the kit which I use. I'm using an angular brush with this. I'm filling my eyebrows with a dark brown color, this shade. I need threading. So we are going to work on our eyes, because eyes will be mostly visible if we are wearing a mask, and even if not, eye makeup always looks good. So in this video, I'm going to try to balance the eye look, natural also as well as attractive. So I am going to use this eyeshadow for my eyes. This is a very natural shade, if you can see. It's a very natural shade with a little bit of shine, and then I'm going to highlight my eyes with a contrasting eyeliner. It's very natural, but it is giving a very beautiful shine. And now highlighter on the brow bone area. So for highlighter, I'm going to use this silver white color. Just on the brow bone area. So this is the blue pencil, the liner pencil, which I am going to use to highlight my eyes. I'm going to wear a little thick liner with this. According to the thickness of the liner I want, I'll just draw an outline first and then fill it. Can you see? If you want, you can make it more thicker according to your eye shape and eye size. Fill it nicely, do not leave any gaps. Done. Now underneath my lower lashes, I'm just going to apply the same blue on half eye. Just on half eye. a full will give a very dramatic look, and I usually do not like too dramatic looks, and they don't even suit my age group. Now we are going to mix this with the natural brown shade. Again, I have taken the same eyebrow kit and the angular brush with which I did my eyebrows, and I'm going to take the same shade which I used on my eyebrows, this shade, and mix with the blue on which is underneath the lower lashes. And a little bit of brown, I'm bringing it onto the blue to mix it, give it a naturally mixed look. Like this. So the blue is there, but it is not too prominent for a day look or for a natural look with attractive eyes. If you're not comfortable with the blue under your lower lashes, so you can just continue with a brown or a black kajal. So this is done. Now to prevent this kajal, the blue and the brown one, from bleeding or from spreading, I'm just going to use this. This is Fit Me. This is a compact by Maybelline, but I'm just going to use a little bit with the angular brush under this kajal line. I just love doing this trick because this is very effective. So now we are going to wear a mascara. I always suggest that whichever products you're choosing, especially when you have to wear a mask after your makeup, so choose products which are waterproof because they stay for long hours and do not get spoiled. I like this mascara also. This is by Maybelline, the Colossal Mascara, and even this Dior mascara is one of my favorite mascaras. So whichever suits your pocket, you can choose that one. Right now I'm going to use this one. Lower lashes, I always suggest that please use a mascara. It gives a very beautiful look to your eyes. Done. If you still feel that there is some extra translucent powder on your face, you can just brush it off. Mine has absolutely settled well, so I don't need to do that. And I'm going to choose a natural peachy shade for my cheeks. Blend it really well. And if you feel that you have applied some extra blush on, you can always lessen it by using the same powder puff, and you can just dab it on the blush on. But yes, this would take away the shine of the blush on. So you can just dab it outside or the places if you feel you apply a little more. Okay, I'm just going to mix it again with this. This step has to be done if needed. I'm going to wear a natural pink lipstick. This is my favorite outline pencil by Nykaa. So even the lipstick choice has changed these days because we have to wear a mask. So choose a transfer resistant lipstick. If we wear too much of glossy or moist lipstick, it is going to come on our mask, and sometimes it can also spread over here on this area around your lips. So right now I'm choosing this one. There are many brands which have transfer resistant lipsticks. You can choose any one of them. This is NYX liquid lipstick. So now let's wear a mask and see. I'm just going to take my lips a little bit in and then wear a mask so that my lipstick does not get spoiled even though it's transfer resistant. So now my makeup will stay as it is throughout the day if I remove my mask, if I wear my mask, and if sometimes you find a kind of line, so just keep a brush like this one with you so that you can just brush off the lines. You can just mix the lines if needed. Though you can see there is no line visible as of now, so you can just wear it and remove it with comfort. All the product details are listed below in the description box, so please read the description box carefully. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram.